Okay, this video is to demonstrate the work I've been doing towards executing a test for the Go web app. The Go web app doesn't seem to be deployed live anywhere yet, so I'm still using the Expansia website for the demonstration. We can take a look at the test. And whenever the Go web app, I get an address or URL for them, I can update this. This test is going to make a GET request against the target URL. It's going to grab the HTML of the site, and it's going to look in the body, and it's going to assert that this particular address string exists. We have some error handling in place so that if it fails, we get a nice pretty error message with the exception. And then if it passes as expected, we get a nice pretty success message along with the status 200 OK from the server, and we get the entire HTML of the body returned in the results. This test is executed using a curl command so that it's easy to integrate into basically any pipeline that can execute a curl command. And it's orchestrated by Jenkins. So we can take a look at that real quick. One quick note is that the EC2 instance doesn't have a static IP, so if that gets shut down and restarted, this curl command right here will have to be updated with the new public DNS. Alright, so we're attached to the Kaiju GitHub so that we can access the test framework to execute the test. We're using an authentication token go test so that we can actually execute it in the curl command. We're using Maven version 3.6.1. Here's our goal that actually executes the test class. Anytime we want to add additional test suites or test classes, we can just put a comma here and add all sorts of tests. It's basically infinite, and we can add as many tests or take as many tests away as we want. Let's go ahead and save that. Now we'll go ahead and fire the test. So here's the curl command we just executed, and we got a 201 created message, and then you see the build here taking off. Take a look at the results. And we have success. So we get our nice clean success message here that we can parse out if needed. Body contains Nashua, New Hampshire, as expected, just like we showed in the test here. We also get back the HTML of the body for the unit test that we just performed. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, you can trigger this test using a curl command, so it's pretty easy to integrate. Thanks.